This video will give you a basic overview of our CWC process, which stands for Concrete Weight Coating. Each day starts with a documented toolbox meeting. These toolbox meetings are to ensure the safety of our employees. Safety concerns, hazards, and best practices are discussed. Then, we complete a pre-job safety checklist. Pre-job safety checklists are used to ensure all the appropriate tools and equipment are accessible and in working condition, all required PPE is available, and that all job hazards are addressed. Standard personal protective equipment, or PPE, is required. Standard PPE requirements include hard hats, steel-toe footwear, and safety glasses. Additional PPE requirements will be noted on pre-job safety checklists. The CWC process begins when a pipe enters the plant. Here, we inspect the FBE coating, jeeping for holidays, ensuring that no damage occurred to the steel or coating during handling, and make any repairs to the FBE coating prior to the concrete application. The pipe then enters the conveyor. This is where we perform our concrete application. The pipe first goes through the concrete applicator. We then perform a wire application, which reinforces the concrete to the pipe. After that, the pipe is then wrapped in plastic. Then the pipe continues to the tape dispenser, where tape is applied to hold the plastic on the pipe. The next part of the CWC process is pipe separation. Here, we use a forklift to remove the pipes from the conveyor line. The forklift brings the pipe to the cutback saw area. The cutback saw removes enough cement to provide an appropriate cutback area on the pipe. This cutback area allows for the steel joint to be welded in the field. Next, we move the pipe from the cutback area to the weighing station. Here, the pipe is weighed. We then add traceability. Traceability is the documentation of the life of the individual pipe. Each pipe has unique numbers that must be maintained for the identity of the pipe. Next, we remove any excess material. The pipe is then moved to storage, where it is left to cure for a minimum of 3 days. Here are a few final notes regarding CWC. Make sure and keep the area clean, and ensure that proper housekeeping is maintained throughout the day to keep a clean, safe work environment. We require a cleanup at the end of each shift, and we make sure that no trash ever hits the ground. This concludes our CWC process training. If you have any other questions, please make sure and ask the plant manager or area foreman.